Mastering the art of pastry. How to fill a pastry bag. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the wonderful world of English language and cooking techniques. Today, we're exploring a very specific, yet essential, skill in the world of baking and pastry arts. How to fill a pastry bag. Whether you're a budding baker or simply looking to polish your English culinary vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's get started on this delicious journey. A pastry bag, also known as a piping bag, is a cone-shaped bag that's used in baking and pastry making to pipe semi-solid foods by pressing them through a narrow opening at one end, often fitted with a metal or plastic tip. These bags are crucial for decorating cakes, forming cream puffs, or even piping mashed potatoes. Understanding how to properly fill and use one is a fundamental skill for any aspiring baker. Before we get into the filling part, it's important to choose the right pastry bag for your task. Pastry bags can be reusable or disposable, made from cloth, plastic, or paper. Reusable bags are great for those who bake often, while disposable bags offer convenience and easy cleanup. The size of the bag will also depend on the project at hand. Larger bags can hold more filling but may be harder to handle for intricate work. 1. Select the correct size tip and insert it into the bag. If your bag requires it, use a coupler to hold the tip in place. 2. Trim the end of the bag if necessary, so that about half an inch of the tip protrudes. 3. Cuff the bag over your hand or a glass. This creates a wide opening and makes it easier to fill the bag without making a mess. 1. Spoon your filling into the bag. Whether it's frosting, whipped cream, or another semi-solid, make sure to spoon it in carefully to avoid air pockets. 2. Do not overfill the bag. Fill it only halfway or 2/3 at most to maintain control and prevent the contents from spilling out the top. 3. Unfold the cuff and twist the top of the bag to close it. This helps to apply even pressure when piping. 1. Hold the bag with your dominant hand near the twisted top for pressure control. 2. Use your other hand to guide the tip. 3. Gently squeeze the bag to pipe your filling. The key is consistent pressure for even results. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to filling and using a pastry bag like a pro. We hope this video not only helps you master this essential baking skill but also enriches your English vocabulary specific to the culinary world. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and make a few messes along the way. Happy baking, and see you in our next video.